Morning, morning, morning. Welcome to RTV. You're speaking with your host, KC Voss. I just few pint in the morning, and I hope my words can be heard across Jamaica. Yeah, because that's some serious thing I go on. And me need all of we to focus and be more vigilant towards what we do. Yeah, man. May I send out a message here, so all of we in a Jamaican can think about it, share, and help save others. See? Me think Jamaica fi under lockdown, not only Kingston and St. Andrew. Mr. Holness, Honorable Brogard, you see, the lockdown where you impose on Kingston and St. Andrew, sorry to say my boss, but it not deal with good. You should answer effective immediately. Because when you say 5 o'clock, 5 a.m., the amount of people flee before that time they come, the amount of people flee overnight, my boss. And to tell you the truth, we need to be protected more in this small country. We don't want by the end of the day. Too much are we in Jamaica of that thing. Yeah? So if we do all what we can to protect who is here. You understand? Yeah, man. So what go on, my boss? Lock down the whole country. I could do some more tests. Before you lock down the country, anytime you go do it your company TV and you say effective immediately. Don't give no time span. The deadline for Kingston and St. Andrew is 7 days. You can't go work. You need more time. Because it testing, everybody now go get tested in that period of time. And some of the people them will get tested once, them forget twice. So me see it. And the other 3 parishes them in Jamaica when you have that thing yet. Me think them 3 parishes they need to be protected more than any other parish in Jamaica right now. If you just try and say alright, them parish there, we are trying to keep them scotch free. The other parish them, some are only one touch some of them, but Hanover, Trelawney and St. Thomas, I could try to do my best to keep them scotch free. Put soldier border them, man. Nobody can come out, nobody can come in. And lock off the border them so nobody no go there. You see it? Yeah, man. I saw me see this thing, man. But Jamaica need to have a complete lockdown to stop this thing. Because if we wait, we know say some of the people them run with from Kingston already, And if we wait, we just go wait till too much of Jamaica populated with this thing, with this COVID-19, where we don't have doctors and resources to take care right. We don't need no money from IMF yet. What we go use the money and do? I don't like say we are buying no meds or certain thing. We don't go need some facilities for some bed there and people can lie down and whatsoever medication them a get, then get. But we don't need no money from IMF yet, neither my boss. All we need to focus on it now, if we don't make that thing get too bad in our country. You understand? We look like island sweet, man. We don't see it, so everybody want to come here, man, every nation. We can't wait till we hear say one next 50 in a St. James. One next 40 more people positive at Westmoreland. 70 positive at St. Elizabeth. Can't wait for all them there something there. Lock down the whole of Jamaica. Try imply some way when new tests or enough of tests is being done. The poorer set of people them wanna find somewhere and make them get food because the place go lock down, so it go a little harder upon them. But please, may I beg you, man, be vigilant. You ask if you be vigilant, and I have been vigilant. It's time now to for the bigger man them. Than we as the small people just can't talk. If we talking, not go nowhere. If we not talking, go a mile. So here what me I say, man, please. May I beg. It go rough and it go tough, and to tell you the truth, me not have all ideas how we are going to do it yet. But lock down a place, do some testing. The 3 parish them wanna have it yet. Them for be. The parish them wanna have it. Them the parish there. We fi keep them that way. We try our best and keep them that way. That's them not getting no matter what. Thank you for viewing. Comment, share and subscribe. RTV. Yeah, your host KC Vas. Blessings. Yeah, I'm here telling you my people. This thing, or them say people are recover. We're not sure of persons can be recovered from this thing because they don't have a cure nor a vaccine. You know, understand? And what more get to understanding as well, over 140 persons in South Korea that was proven negative for the COVID-19 has now proven positive. They had it before. They said that they were recovered, and then they did a retest and all of them have it once more. So that means it wasn't gone. And you know, me think the people them what they let out in a Jamaica, them for hold them back though. Yeah man, me think so them for call them in back man and just go and hold them for a time, because no cure no there for that thing, and I let them go for help kill we off out here. Something need to be done. China, if you don't have a cure, whoever have a cure for that thing, yeah, man, no should be out. Not take too long for do the scientists. You can't do nothing. As so long the cure really take for find. If you don't find it, man, you don't let it go pan way. High time now, man. As much that they know. You see it? No let it go pan way, please. We ask. We need a cure.